Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox step by step, so you can talk with other players and enhance your gaming experience. Let's get started. First, go to the Roblox app and log into your account if you haven't already. On the left-hand menu, click More, then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, go to Account Info. Before you can enable voice chat, you need to verify your phone number. Click Add Phone, select your country code, enter your phone number, and click Continue. Then check your phone for the verification code. Enter the code and click Continue. Once your number is verified, close the window. Remember, if you are under 13 years old, some options might be restricted due to Roblox safety policies. In this case, a parent or guardian needs to adjust the settings from the parental controls section. Now, go to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Content Maturity. Look for the Communication section. Here, you will find the voice chat option. This feature is turned off by default. Just toggle the switch to turn it on and you're all set. With voice chat enabled, you can talk to other players in supported games, making your gameplay more interactive and fun. And that's it. Now you know how to enable voice chat in Roblox and start chatting with friends while you play.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.